Welcome to Nature Trip Part 2. Today we're in the same car, but with my brother. Oops. Wait. Okay. It fell. Okay. A bit shaky performance. Performance. No. Why would I? Okay, we just are lucky because the red light turned green. Okay, now I should get a bit.
You like it? Hello guys. Lovely? You want it?
No.
Dennis, you want it?
Yeah, but can you open it for me?
Yeah, I can. Use that one? You want a shower gun?
Okay. We have some like this. Air freshener. No, not this. The glass with Dennis.
Okay.
Do you want to see how the air slurs? Okay. No. We're driving again. You see McDonald's? Yeah, we see McDonald's. But it's building. Uncle, I want the same chewing gum. Okay, now we're about to enter a tunnel. Yeah, we were in the short tunnel. Right. A 1 mile tunnel here. Yes. 1,080 meters. It smells so good. Yeah, like toothpaste spray. Or like air conditioning. That's noisy stuff. Yeah. Now we are getting out. We got out. Now we're completely out of the tunnel. And Mitsubishi's former. Okay, we're back underway. Uncle, are we going in the highway?
Go to my friend.
To your friends?
Yeah. You want to drink something?
To do what?
You want to drink something?
I'm scared of dogs.
No, it's not with the dog.
With what?
With a little kid. You want to drink something? Dennis?
Uncle?
You want something to drink?
Yeah, but I accidentally swallowed gum because I had nowhere else. Because
What do you want to drink?
Wait, what if we could just go to your friend and ask for a Coca-Cola? Yeah.
Last time I buy you Coca-Cola, do you not drink that?
This time I will. I do.
You drink just a little bit.
But you know what, Uncle? I finally know I finally know the expiry date. Now we're on a it's warm, right? Empty way. Uncle, do you mind turning the temperature a bit down?
Yeah,
A bit more, please.
I'll do that.
A bit more colder.
Outside it's 13 degrees.
But Uncle, in how much degrees Celsius are we allowed to how much degrees Celsius are we allowed to have the cabriolet open?
20.
I think 16. Uncle, habe ich im Sommer Geburtstag?
Nein, du hast
Frühling.
2 Wochen Geburtstag.
In spring. I have it in summer season. In summer? Yeah. I have it first. Yeah. But in this car, the driver has it first. Yeah.
1 week I have.
But first had our grandma. But Uncle, you drive good. Yeah, you drive very good. Nature trip. That's real nature. Do you see the houses? Some houses seeing some houses in the distance. Yeah. And trees. Uncle, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
Schnitzel and pommes frites.
Schnitzel and fries. I mean schnitzel and fries. Schnitzel.
And yours?
Why? Fries
Why?
And chicken. Uncle, why do you?
Go and buy 2 Coke. You want to drink Coke?
Uncle, does your friend have a vending machine?
I think yes.
We can buy it there.
You can wait me here?
No.
I come in 1 minute I come.
Uncle, can I come with you?
No.
I too. But I keep recording.
No, you're not going to turn the recording inside.
Okay, I can pause it.
Okay, pause it.
Okay, when I'm outside of the car. Okay. Now we are outside. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, I need to pause it. See you guys later. We're just about to pause it. It's a fast pause. Hello guys. Now
Okay.
we again recording.
Okay, now we are back on our way, and we are just about to Agrola gas station, and seems like I should.
Seems like we are.
Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks, Uncle. Wait, I need to pause a bit. Okay, we're
starting to drive.
we are starting back. We are starting to move
Like
again.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Or Messi.
We are starting to move again, and
Yeah.
then we're out of the gas station, and
Now are we driving?
on the way to somewhere.
To Uncle's friend.
Uncle, how many friends do you have?
Many.
How much?
Just two.
Only 2.
Only 2 friends.
Why only?
Real friends.
Huh?
Real friends.
2 real friends. Okay, we entered Eschenbach. So many cars. A bit of a shaky performance. Wait, I tried to hold it left-handed.
Guys.
Okay.
Dennis,
Yeah.
you have to stop the recording when I say stop, okay?
Yeah.
We drive straight. When I go right side, you have to stop then.
But Uncle, I am reaching the limit. I am near the limit.
Okay.
When I tried screen recording 20 minutes, I met an Ukrainian friend that speaks English and is a bus driver in a game in Balkan Borders roleplay, and I told him that I was screen recording, but then I accidentally recorded too long. Okay, this is the limit. Bye. Part 2 coming soon.